Any other doubt anyone has?
Ma'am, what should we write for the first answer, ma'am? Is it a definition or something?
No, you don't have to write anything.
Okay,
Nothing. We are
ma'am,
not
but then
writing anything.
usually those type of questions are not asked, right?
Yeah, it will not be there. So that's the reason I told you don't do. Any other doubts anyone has? Then start doing some more questions. Simple questions, 1 markers or MCQ type. First one, if sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 sine 90 minus theta, find cot theta. Sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 sine 90 minus theta. Find the value of cot theta. How to simplify? Saptashi?
Ma'am, sine 90 minus theta will be cos theta, ma'am.
Okay. Root 2 cos theta will come.
And sine plus cos theta. And can we do a square minus b square, ma'am, for this one?
Not needed, not needed. Cot theta is what? Cos theta by sine theta only you need.
Yes.
So you have to calculate cos theta by sine theta.
Mm.
Right?
1 second, he is trying. Bring this cos theta here.
Oh, yeah, yes, ma'am.
Sine theta is equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta.
Minus.
So it is root 2 minus 1 cos theta is equal to sine theta. So what you need? Cos by sine you need. So bring this sine on this side and root 2 by this side. Or divide both the sides with sine theta. So this is by sine theta by sine theta. Sine theta by sine theta,
1.
1 is equal to root 2 minus 1 into cot theta. So for finding cot theta value, this part will go denominator here, division here. So 1 by root 2 minus 1 is equal to cot theta. And then multiply this, rationalize. We have to rationalize it because denominator is a rational number. So root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. So root 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. That is root 2 plus 1 by 1 is equal to cot theta. So answer is root 2 plus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, I divided sine theta plus cos theta by cos theta.
Okay. Then you will get tan theta. And then again
Yeah,
taking
so I thought
reciprocal
sine
cot
theta.
theta.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. These are all 1 markers. If tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, find the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta. How to find out?
Ma'am, we take tan theta plus cot theta whole square equal to 4
Yes, right.
and then use the identity.
Use a plus b whole square.
Ma'am, is it 2?
Yes, right. Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, getting it as 2 into 2 minus tan theta cot theta.
Tan theta into cot theta is what?
1. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Mary, you have learned this chapter 2 times. Then also.
Yes, ma'am. I got confused.
Next question, proof. Tan theta plus tan 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta into sec 90 minus theta. How to prove? Shambhavi?
Ma'am, can I solve and let you know?
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to solve the next question.
Yes, if it is done earlier. Earlier, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, tan theta plus cot theta.
Plus cot theta is equal to
Sec theta into cosec theta.
so how to solve?
Sine by cos
Sin theta by cos theta
plus cos theta by sine theta equals sec theta cosec theta. Sine square plus cos square theta by cos into sine is equal to sec theta. 1 by cos theta into sine theta. We'll take the reciprocal of that.
Oh, wow, dividing separately
1 by cos
is
sec
sec
into
theta and 1 by sin is
1 by cosec
cosec
theta.
theta, which is RHS. If alpha plus beta is equal to 90, prove that cos alpha square root of cos alpha into cosec beta minus cos alpha into sin beta is equal to sin alpha. Vanika, how to solve?
Ma'am,
Yes.
so alpha plus beta is 90, so it'll be ma'am, you can write ma'am, not getting it.
Ma'am, can we take alpha and beta common here?
Those are
Ma'am, can
angles.
I
How you
tell?
do common?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
tell?
but how
Okay.
can it be common?
It cannot be common. It is an angle. How it will common?
Yeah. Ma'am, can I try?
Yeah, Nanya.
Uh, so it's given that alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. So we can take beta is equal to 90 degree minus theta. I mean minus alpha. And then so root cos alpha into cosec 90 minus 90 degree minus alpha. We just minus cos alpha into cos in minus cos alpha into sine 90 minus alpha. So then it will become cos alpha into sec alpha minus cos alpha into cos alpha.
Where you are reading?
I'm not reading, mom. Cos, yeah. So root 1 minus cos square alpha, which is equal to sine square alpha. Yeah, sine alpha. Then again, you can convert the
What you want to convert?
I mean, yeah, you got the answer. Yeah.
So sine square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 2 sine theta. Yes. How to solve? Anyone? Any idea?
Ma'am, can we take it like 2 sine square theta equals to 2 plus cos square theta, then sine square theta equals 2 plus cos square theta by 2.
Mom, 2 sine square theta minus 2 equal to cos square theta.
Someone says Mike. What?
Ma'am, can we take?
Ma'am, 2 sine square theta minus 2 is equal to cos square theta.
2 is equal to cos square theta. Okay.
Then you take 2 common, then sine square theta minus 1 is equal to cos square theta.
2 into sine square theta minus 1 is equal to cos square theta.
2 is equal to 1 minus sine square theta by sine square theta minus 1.
Not needed.
Yeah, I just want to think.
Here also you can do, or simply convert this cos square into 1 minus sine square. 2 sine square theta into 1 minus sine square theta is equal to 2. 2 sine square theta minus 1 plus sine square theta is equal to 2. So this minus 1 will go this side. So 3 sine square theta is equal to 3. Sine square theta is equal to 1. So sine theta is equal to 1. So which angle of theta is sine theta is 1? For which angle of sine value is 1? No one knows.
90.
90.
90.
Theta is 90 degree. Varnika,
Yes, ma'am.
what's going on?
Nothing, ma'am. Solve it.
Root 3 tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the value of sine square theta minus cos square theta. Sharon, how to solve?
Ma'am, like one you should take as sine square theta plus cos square theta,
Don't
like
do that
value of
much.
one.
Not needed. It's will be a very long process.
Okay.
Any other method? Try.
So one you can shift that side. So 3
Okay.
tan theta. Uh, So tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 1 by root 3 is tan 60, ma'am.
No.
Theta is equal to 30, ma'am. Okay.
30. And then find the value of sine square theta and cos square theta. Sine square 30 minus cos square 30.
Sine square 30 is 1 by 2 whole square. Minus. Uh, uh, oh,
Got it? These are all one markers. And these will be asked. First 20 objective questions are there, in that these will be there. These kind of questions. Diagram is given. You have to find out cos phi.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, is it the midpoint of the line?
No.
Okay.
Shreya, can you try? Yes, Shreya.
Ma'am,
No idea.
Ma'am,
Yes.
90 plus theta is equals to the cos. What's the symbol, ma'am?
Phi. Phi.
Uh, Cos phi and the other angle and the opposite angle, like exterior angle property, ma'am.
Say a property that says the triangle should be there, no? Any triangle don't have the exterior angle here.
Ma'am, can we join those two lines?
This line not needed. What is the value of theta plus phi? What is the value of theta plus phi?
180. No. 180 minus 90, sorry.
What is the sum of theta plus phi?
90.
90.
That means these two are
Right angle?
Complementary.
Complement.
complementary angles. So value of phi,
Theta 90 minus 2.
cos phi is can be written as cos 90 minus theta. So what is cos 90 minus theta? What is the value of cos 90 minus theta?
Sin
Yes,
theta.
is sin theta. So can you find out the value of sin theta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
4 by 5.
Yeah.
This is the value of cos phi. Learning straightforward method, leave now, come out of it, start thinking all round. You are only approaching to that solution you have solved. You are not started thinking in other ways.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for this sum, ma'am, actually, I took sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, and I took it as 4 by 5 as one equation. And then I took sine theta is equal to 180 minus theta plus 90. So 90 sine theta is equal to 90 minus theta. And then I equated the equations.
Fine. Anyhow, you have to calculate the cos phi value.
But I'm not getting the answer.
Here it is given no properly, the simplest way. Then think of it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it sine phi theta?
Yeah, 5 theta is equal to cos 4 theta. Sin 5 theta is equal to cos 4 theta. How to do?
Ma'am, sine phi theta can be written as cos 90 minus phi theta.
Cos 90 minus 5 theta
equal to cos 4 theta.
Mhm.
So 90 minus phi theta equal to 4 theta.
Theta is equal to 10 to 2 sine 30 minus root 3 tan 30. Substitute values and find out answer. 3 theta. Theta is 10. So 3 into 10 becomes 30.
Ma'am, it's 0.
That's right. Everyone got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Recall now all the properties earlier.
Ma'am, answers 2.
Sorry.
Ma'am, for the 8th question, I'm getting value as 0.
Yes. So we are doing the 8th one.
No, ma'am, like I was getting confused somewhere. So then now I got it.
Ma'am, x is 1 by 2.
Yes, right. Hansika, have we finished 10th one?
Now I'm doing 11th one.
Okay. Dviti, have we finished 10th one? Charan, got the answer of 10th?
No, ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. So tan square theta. Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Tan 45 is tan 45 square.
Oh, okay, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, as x 1 by 2, ma'am.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, I got it.
Tenth one is 1 by 2. Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
11th one. The same way as we have solved alpha beta. Exactly same way here also we have to solve. Substitute beta because other side RHS you need tan A. So only angle A you need. So convert B into 90 minus A and try simplifying.
Ma'am, in the 11th one, I'm getting sine B by cos A.
B don't use it, no. All convert B into 90 minus A.
Oh, okay, yeah, ma'am.
Got it?
Ma'am, I'm getting tan square A, not tan A.
Square root of tan square is what? Yeah, you forgot the square root.
Yeah, sorry, yeah. Yeah, tan A.
Excuse me. Done, everyone completed? Or could not get?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
I'm solving, ma'am. One.
This
I
much
am
time
stuck,
needed.
ma'am.
Oh my god. You have not watched video properly, no? Don't solve it. Tan A, tan 90 minus A is? Tan 90 minus A is? Cot A plus tan A into cot 90 minus A?
Tan A.
Sec 90 minus A?
Cosec A.
Minus sin 90 minus A?
Cos.
Cos square A by cos square A. This is everything inside square root. So this get cancelled. Tan into cot becomes 1 plus tan into tan, tan square A divided by sin into cosec 1 minus 1 square root of 1 plus tan square A minus 1. This 1 get cancelled. Square root of tan square A, that is equal to tan A. Tan A into cot A, always remember it is equal to 1. Sin A into cosec A, always remember it is equal to 1. After completing the full 100, how many questions you have done till now? If you have counted all your exercise also, 100 questions you have solved. More than that. Then also still you are not able to understand that formula. This means you are not solving by yourself. Copying from here and there.
Ma'am, once again, can you scroll up, ma'am? I think I wrote the question wrong. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Then find the value of theta. How to solve? Not able to solve.
Mom, cos square theta minus sin square theta whole square by cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square.
There is no cos square minus sin square part, because cos square minus sin
Ma'am,
square
okay.
doesn't make it as this any value. You'll get it. So divide numerator and denominator with cos theta. Cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta, divided by cos theta by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. So this is equal to 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. That is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. If you check both the equations, in place of tan theta, exactly same equations are there on both the sides. So if you check here, 1 minus 1 minus, in place of tan theta, here is the value root 3. In place of here also 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus root 3. That means in place of tan theta, here it is root 3. This means tan theta is equal to root 3. So which angle of tan is root 3?
60.
60.
So theta is 60.
Mom, how do we know when to divide by cos and all? Like, we won't get that idea.
This is the simple thing. If you divide with sin theta, what you will get? If you divide with sin theta, you will get cot theta minus 1.
Yeah.
But other side, what is needed? 1 minus root 3 is needed, no? So that means in place of cos, 1 should come. So when you will get that value 1?
Okay, got it. When we divide by cos.
When you will divide by cos, then only in place of cos, you will get 1. So therefore, we have divided with 1. If it was sin theta minus cos theta, then you would have divided with, instead of cos theta minus sin theta, if there was a sin theta minus cos theta was there, then
We have divided by sin.
you have
Sin
divided with
by
sin theta. Then you will get the cot theta value. Then cot theta is equal to root 3. So theta will be 30 then.
Yeah.
Is there any other method like converting sin theta into?
There is not square here. So how you will do?
Like 90 minus theta or something like that? Nothing else.
What?
Like converting sin theta cos 90 minus theta something.
So what you will get by that way? You have to solve both the sides. These are the equation. You have to solve both the sides.
Yes, ma'am.
Then how you will solve? There is one method is there that is called in ratio and proportion. NCERT learning students might have not learned, but other students might have learned about the componendo and dividendo rule. Anyone knows? In ratio part, in learning ratio, properties of ratio, componendo and dividendo rule is there. Do you know that, anyone? With that rule, this can be solved, but that method you don't have. So, and that is a very long method. Better you solve this method. Fine. So we'll stop here. I will send you one worksheet. You have to finish it in 8 days. 8 days time you have. Okay? You can leave now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah.